Imagine this. Microsoft, the tech giant we know and love, goes all in on self-driving cars, teaming up with Cruise, the pioneers of autonomous vehicle magic. Sounds like the ultimate tech fairy tale, right? Well, not quite. Fast forward to today. Cruise has hit the brakes, hard. And Microsoft, they're left holding the bill. Let's unpack this wild story. Cruise was supposed to revolutionize transportation. Advanced AI, self-driving cars, and a promise to make your city commute less of a nightmare. Microsoft jumped in with their cloud superpowers, courtesy of Azure, to fuel Cruise's data-hungry ambitions. But then, bam! Cruise shuts down, leaving Microsoft scrambling to salvage not just the investment, but also their big dreams in autonomous tech. And guess what? Investors noticed. Microsoft's shares wobbled, and their future in smart mobility? Unclear. But don't count them out yet. This is Microsoft we're talking about. They're already eyeing new opportunities, maybe electric cars, green tech, or even smart cities. Could this pivot spark the next big thing? Or will they drive into another tech dead end? One thing's for sure. The race for tech innovation never stops. What's your bet on Microsoft's next move? Comment below and subscribe for more tech drama.